Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, so first and foremost, teacher would like to say sorry if teacher's face is not so clear right now because I am using the laptop instead of the computer. Okay, but can you hear me, right?
yes.
Okay, very good. So how are you, baby man?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, so did you eat already?
Yes,
Okay, and what did you eat for tonight?
it's great.
What's that?
Let's happy.
What kind of food is that?
No,
Oh, so what did you eat for tonight?
it's great.
Gray?
Yes,
Is that a food?
no.
Oh no. So what did you eat?
It
Eat.
it noodles.
Oh yeah, a noodle. Oh, you know what? The class or the student after this one also eat a noodles. Wow. So do you like to eat noodles a lot? Do you like to
Is
eat noodles?
yes.
Oh, yeah, actually, our dinner tonight is also noodles, but we also have egg and noodles. All right, okay, so now, baby Min, are you ready to start with our class?
Yes.
Okay, so teacher is going to share the screen and just wait for me, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I guess you can see my screen already, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to talk about the exercise 4, which is the matching. So now what you're going to do is you just need to match the sentence here, right here, and you are
Yes.
just going to give me the answer, okay?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What does your daughter do?
I am a doctor.
Are you sure? The question is, what does your
She is
daughter do? She
she
is
is
referring to someone else. Okay, what
yes.
is your answer, baby?
Is letter A.
Okay, A. She is a doctor. Okay, number 2. No, he doesn't.
Does he like uh do does he like in type pair?
Okay, again. Does he live?
Does he live in Taipei?
Okay, type A.
Taipei?
Okay, number 3. Do they work in a restaurant?
Yes, they are.
All right,
Yes, they
they.
do.
Ah, your
They
first
do. Are they
answer is
are?
yes, your first answer is already correct because do they work? So means they are a lot. So we are going to use the word are on it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, next. No, they aren't.
Uh, do they work in a hospital?
Okay. What does he do?
Uh, he is a serial.
All right, he is a server. Number 6. They are doctors.
Uh,
Okay, they are doctors.
what do they do? What
Uh,
do your son do?
okay, your first answer is already correct. What do they do? As you can see, the question says that do. They do. So they are doctors. Okay, because if the answer is this one, the question must be if the question is this one, what does your son do? The answer must be he is a doctor, referring to one person or to someone already. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Min, and good job for that. So now let's proceed on the Exercise number 5. Fill in the blank. Read the dialogue aloud with your tutor and fill in the blanks. So you will be Zach. So now I will be the teacher and you will be the Zach, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Hi Zach, where does your sister live?
Sister live in New York.
All right. My sister lives in New York. Okay. Question number 3. What does she do?
She the she the a doctor.
Okay. She
Do a
is.
doctor.
Okay. She
She is.
is a
She is.
doctor. Okay. Where does she work?
She live in a hospital. How
Okay.
about how about your sister, Mrs. Smith? Where all she live? Where does she live?
All right. Okay. So now she work in a hospital. How about your sister, Miss Smith? Where does she live? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. She lives in London.
What does she do?
Okay. She
Where does
is
she
a
do?
server.
Cool. Why
No, no.
does she work?
All right. She works in a restaurant.
Cool.
All right. Cool. Cool. All right. Oh, wait for me. Wait for me. All right. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So now, thank you so much for that 1 minute, and thank you so much for doing your best to answer all the activities right here. So
Yes.
now, let's proceed on the exercise number 6. We have the ordering to put the words into the correct order. For example, London in live day. So the correct answer is they live in London. Okay, so ready?
Yes.
Okay, number 1. What is number 1?
They live in London.
Number 2.
They don't live in Taipei.
Okay, number
Taipei.
3. Yes, Taipei. Okay, number 3.
Where where do they work?
Okay, where do they work? Number oh, we don't have yet. I did we answer number 2 already?
Uh, they they don't live in Taipei.
Oh, yes. Number 4.
My mother is a business person.
My brother.
Uh, is a business person.
All right. My brother is a business person. Okay, number 5.
My uh
My
my daughter work
my my
da-
daughter.
my daughter work in an office.
I was talking and I just noted I was mute. Oh, I'm so sorry. So you did not hear me talking.
Uh,
But it's okay. Did you just hear me?
yes.
I was talking here. I was answering. I was repeating your answer when I noticed that I was on mute. I'm sorry. Okay, next. My brother is a business person, and number 5 is my daughter Works in
Work
an
in an
office.
office.
Okay, very good. Number 6.
Where does he live?
Okay, number 7.
What's the your do son?
Uh,
Son
what?
do?
What's your final answer, baby?
What the your son do?
Okay, what does your son do? Okay, again, what does your son do? Okay, number 8.
Uh, ba ban and Daisuke Daisuke
Uh-huh.
and Ban and Daisuke don't live in Bangkok.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so can you repeat your answer, please?
Ban and Daisuke don't live in Bangkok.
All right. Daisuke and Ben don't live in Bangkok. Okay, very good. As you can see, there are the names, and we have here the and don't live in Bangkok. All right, very good, baby. So now, thank you so much again for answering the activity. So let's proceed to exercise number 7. So in the exercise number 7, we have your turn to ask. So now you're
Yeah.
just going to answer, I mean, you're just going to read the questions, okay?
Yes.
So you're going to read me all the questions right here, then I will be answering it accordingly, okay, baby?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, question number 1. Can you please read question number 1?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Okay, where do you live? I live in Bohol, Philippines.
Uh, what do you do?
I do teaching, right, Lal? Just like here, I am a online teacher, and also I am a affiliate.
Where do you work?
I work at home.
Uh, where do your brother or sister live?
I don't have a brother or a sister.
Uh, what does he or she do?
I don't have a brother or a sister.
Where do where do your son or daughter live?
They live with me.
What does he or she do?
Currently they are still studying, but for now it's summer, so they are just staying at home, just playing and roaming around. Actually, they are still 1 year old, 4 years old, and 6 years old. Okay, last question.
Where does he or she work?
Okay, so they don't have a work yet because they are still young. So maybe soon when they already reach 18 or something, when they're already good for working. All right, so now let's have the exercise number 8. So your turn to ask Min. So I will be asking you the same questions, then I just want you to answer this one, okay?
Yes,
Okay. Where do you live?
I live Vietnam.
What do you do?
Uh, I'm a student.
Okay. Where do you work?
Uh, I work at school.
Okay, I work at school. Okay, okay. Number 4, where does your husband or wife live? Okay, where does your husband or your wife live? Do you know what is a husband or a wife?
Is where is live in live in Doha.
Oh, you already have a wife?
Is
Okay, wait. You already have a wife?
Chồng hoặc vợ của bạn sống ở đâu?
I don't like Hanbak or why?
No, you don't have a wife yet. Maybe in the future. Okay, next. My hair keeps on flying. Okay, next. What does he or she do?
Uh, uh, either he is 30.
What?
Is
What, baby?
is he
He?
he no
Anh ấy hoặc cô ấy làm nghề gì?
no Đấy, đi thì cũng ngập nhất.
He is still referring to your wife.
Cô ấy đang nhắc đến vợ của bạn Hy. Câu hỏi đang đề cập đến vợ của bạn Hy.
Alright, so now, what does he or she do?
Uh, he do he does is study.
Oh, study. Okay, so now, where does he or she work? Okay, where
Uh,
does she work?
uh, he work is
Okay, where does she work?
he he work is uh a school.
At school, like a teacher also?
Yes,
Oh, so your mom is a teacher.
yeah,
Oh, wow. So how about your father?
is custom.
Custom?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay, so now next. Where does your father or mother live?
Where does your father live live in Dongha City?
Hello, baby. You have a baby brother. I saw you. Oh, what happened? What happened?
Uh,
What happened, baby? What happened, Mian? You got low bat or something? What happened? Is everything okay?
yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, I guess you got low bat on your device.
Yeah.
Okay, so everything good, all right?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Number 7, where does your father or mother live?
My father lives Donghua City.
Okay, what does he do or she do? But you already told me that your mom is a teacher and your father is a coastal. Okay, where does he or she work? And you already shared me this one, so no need to answer the last number. Okay, so congratulations, Min, for completing this lesson. So we are done with the lesson 8. So let's continue with the lesson 9 already, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now let me find first the lesson 9. So as you can see, you have a lot. You have a lot of lessons to do in the future. So first, let's have the lesson 9. Wait. So in the lesson 9, we have here, do you have a pet?
And uh, that is a dog.
Oh, a dog. So how many dogs do you have?
Uh,
How many dogs?
is one dog.
Oh, only one. So what is the name of your dog?
It's Lucky.
Lucky! Wow, what's the color of your dog?
It's brown.
Brown. Oh, Lucky is a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
Oh, a boy. So do you always go out with Lucky?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So, how about a cat? You don't have a cat?
No.
Why? You don't like a cat as well?
No.
Ah, okay. So let me ask you this one. How old is Lucky? Do you know how old is Lucky already?
Lucky is uh 3 years old.
Oh, 3 years old already. So he's already big.
It's small.
Oh, still small? Oh, I thought it's already big. So, are you planning to have more dog? Did you buy that dog? Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Yes. Oh. So now thank you so much for sharing that you have a pet, which is a dog, and the name of your dog is Lucky. So how do you spell the word lucky? It's just like this?
It's L.
Like this?
Yes.
Oh, so a lucky one. Well, why do you name it Lucky? Or who give the name Lucky? Who give the name Lucky?
Yeah.
Are you the one who named it Lucky?
Yes.
Oh, so why did you name your dog Lucky? You just like
Uh,
it. So why did you name your dog Lucky?
yeah.
Huh? What?
Eh,
Okay, you can. Oh, sorry.
Tại sao bạn lại đặt tên chó của mình là Lucky?
Lucky. Okay, so why did you name your dog Lucky?
because dog is like
Oh, because you
name is
think that.
Lucky.
Oh, that's why you named your dog with Lucky. Alright, so thank you so much for sharing me that one, Vin. I mean, Min. But as much as I wanted to continue our discussion tonight, but I still have a class after this one. So thank you so much for tonight, Meet, and good night.
Ừ.
See you again next day. Bye bye.
Bye.
Good night.